and with the dedication you speak out, so it was really an energy for us. Thank you. We need women like her. Thank you. Today, आजको म नेपालीमा भन्दै गर्छु। हामी चाहिँ हाम्रो संस्था चाहिँ महिला जनचेतना केन्द्र हो। We work with women and girls since 2003. Our organization was established in 2003, and from there we are working with women and children, but the result, the output is really zero. We are still working, we are still shouting, sometimes doing this thing, sometimes changing our concept and changing our activities all. But still we could not bring that much output on these issues, which we are really, sometimes we feel what we are working, where we are working, where we are investing, that really goes on us also. Like, yeah, it's very typical. If we really go on this, then I think we can't work further also. Because it's so deep, and you know, the women, they are so emotional by nature. So we can't sometimes control the emotion. And as we are working with women and children, now we are working with child marriage. So child marriage is a worldwide problem. So Nepal is also not, yeah. So the main problem we are having, as you are from India, so we want to share this. See, the age of Nepal is we are complete for 18. Boys, girls, both get married. But we are working in remote areas like in Kachin Kawal and Varanasi, which has a very long distance border with India, just a border with India. So we have our social mobilizers, and we have school child clubs, and we have women and parents also. So we aware them, and sometimes if the event happens, then our mobilizer goes there. So, but after that what happens is, the parents take their children to India, especially girls, and they get married because the constitutional age of India is only 18, whereas in our country it's 20. So these are the conflict. And the government side is too weak, poor to work with child marriage, because the incident just happened in our own local area. We call the government side who is in charge of children, the women, and children. We went, we took her to the place, we talked everything, we saw everything. And after that, we asked her, we questioned her, or we want to know what is happening. She says, we went there, we told them to come, but still they are not coming, the parents are not coming. So due to this, being an NGO, it's very hard for us to work, move ahead, because they are not respecting or hearing the government. Then how can they respect us or take our voice? Because the government, सरकारको पक्ष यस्तो फितलो छ हाम्रो ठाउँमा, हामीले सरकार पक्षलाई गुहारेर ठाउँमा लिएर जाँदाखेरि र पछि हामीले उहाँलाई त्यसको अपडेट खोजिरहँदा उहाँहरूले चाहिँ हामीले बोलाएको थियौँ तर उहाँहरू आउनु भएन भन्ने कुराहरूले चाहिँ हाम्रो due to this our campaign is moving down because they are not accepting it. And you know how people react with NGOs. No? You know, we all are working in NGOs and we know how they are, and even sometimes the government side are not positive with NGOs. So in such cases, the people are not being aware, or they are just, the child marriage is going on. So this is the problem. And we know everything, the trafficking is too much. Now the trend has changed, but still trafficking is going on. Through networking, through fake document, still it's going on. And not only girls, boys also are at risk, small boys, we are regardless of gender. So we are working for all of them, and in Nepal also we have so good and recognized organizations who are working with trafficking. And still the process, as you said, is we have to put them back. We have to bring them to the book and tell them what is there, I think. So let's, and the very important thing what I knew from this meeting or this interaction is India and Nepal should have a good networking so that we can move very easily. So I think this concept I like this concept because we too for child marriage, I think we need this networking. And I don't know because due to the age difference, because in Nepal it's 20 and in India it's only 18. So I don't know how it goes, but still we can aware them. We can speak on with the Indian government that we are this one. So if this happens, then maybe there can be some restrictions, no? Because they are not Indian citizens. If they marry also at the age of 18 in India, still they are not Indian citizens. So maybe we can make some network on that also. And Bhumiji just told me that there is a Rise for Children. Just Raise for Children. It's a big organization. We're working with grassroots organizations. So we hope we can be connected with them to raise our voice regarding child marriage. Thank you, मैले एउटै